Hello everyone, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to do the configuration of projects for operation team. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address, like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to project. Then drag the menu till configurations. Here you can add many menus here which you can configure in your projects. For example, if I want to add any new mobilization checklist in the system, I simply click on mobilization checklist. I will click on create button. For example, I am creating the new checklist as presentations. This checklist will be shown to any new project which will going to create in the system. Similarly, I can configure the demobilization checklist by clicking on create button. This is how I can configure mobilization and demobilization checklist. If you want to enter any tags for your particular project, just click on tags and click on create button. Here you can define or give the tags so that your project or activities can easily get differentiated. For example, here I am giving the tags as operations. This text will going to reflect whether it is in project or in activity. This is how you will going to do the configuration of the main fields of operations.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.